Hey guys, Travis from AudioBiz, and I'm super excited because I'm entering the Shure Drum Mastery Contest. I'm not a drum master, but I love playing the drums and making music, and I do have a drum set in my home studio that I have mic'd up at all times, so whenever I'm inspired, I can just go ahead and document whatever I'm working on and make music. So before I go into my performance, I just kind of want to walk you through my setup. This is a project studio, so I did create this setup with budget in mind, but I'm able to get really great tones without spending a ton of money. So let's check out the setup. Okay, so the first thing I did when I got this kit was I ran out and bought the DMK5752. This is a kit that gives you a Beta 52A and 3 SM57s. You also get mounts that allow you to put the microphones directly on the shelves, so you don't need to run out and buy a bunch of microphone stands, which when I'm on a budget, I want to spend as little as possible. So it's super convenient, and I'm able to just mic up the kit with those drum mounts. So on the kick drum, I've got a Beta 52A. It's an awesome mic for capturing low end, and it also handles the transients really well of a kick drum beating. So it's my workhorse go-to kick drum mic. Then I've got a SM57 on the bottom of the snare because I'm only using 8 inputs, so I'm limited to how many microphones I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and rely on my overhead mics to capture the top of the snare. On my rack tom, I also have an SM57 using the flexible drum mount. My floor tom is also being captured with the SM57 and the flexible drum mount. So it's made it really easy for me to mic up all these drums without a lot of microphone stands in my way, and I'm ready to rock. So for my hi-hats, I'm using my vocal mic, which is an SM7B, but it's a pretty flexible mic, and it's able to go ahead and capture the frequency response that I want and handle the transients of a loud, trashy hi-hat cymbal. And then for my overheads, I've gone with the PGA81. So this is the little brother to the SM81, which you see in a lot of big recording studios. But again, I'm on a budget, so I just picked the PGA81s, and I gotta tell you, they sound great. So that's my Project Studio's drum setup. I think that I'm able to capture some pretty cool tones with the microphones that I've selected. I'm gonna go ahead and rock out, submit this to the Drum Mastery Contest, and I'll see you in the next video.